If you drive down a road, a bumpy road, your roads are bad, and these all fall out, you need to learn how to drive a trailer.
These are the tool cubbies in the Smart Wood Shop. I have 3 of them. They're different sizes. This one is the tallest and deepest. This one's the same depth, but not as tall. And this one is not as deep and shorter, but it's a bit longer than these other 2. The most important element of the cubbies is the adjustability of these dividers. This is what creates the size of cubbies that I need for tools. And as time changes, as years go by, new tools come along and I need to adjust these spaces. And I don't need to take them down and get out the saw, take them apart and rebuild them or build new ones. I can do it right in the field by just removing a few screws. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get a detailed set of plans to build a Smart Wood Shop, which includes these cubbies or the Smart Workbenches, there's a link in the description of this video down below. Okay, the cubbies. How do I adjust these dividers? The strip along here, which is the same on all 3, is a piece of 18 mil ply. They keep the tools from coming out and landing on the floor. My tools are not tied down. I can reach in and pull them out with a simple lift, put them back with a simple drop. That's it. It doesn't matter what tool it is. I lift and pull out, lift and pull out. If I'm going down the road, they stay in place. I don't need any kind of removable stop or a bungee cord. That would just destroy my efficiency. So that's the why. What about the how? It's simple. A screw gun, and there are about 5, maybe 6 screws along here. That's it. That's the magic of simplicity. Less but better. So now if I get a new tool or I want to reorganize, I got lots of routers here. So I've got a couple of these cordless guys, an extra base for it, a base for the big 3.5 horsepower. And I have a couple of routers over here. Pull it out and I can move it over, and I've got it about 2 inches apart. So I've got a lot of adjustability. And that's all there is to it. So after you build the Smart Wood Shop for yourself and you have these cubbies and you've got it all set up perfectly, and then in 2 years, you decide to get rid of all your DeWalt tools and go with Makita, cubbies will be right there to help you out. It's time to put it back the way I had it. I guarantee you somebody's gonna say, where I live, the roads are so bad, those tools would be all over the trailer. If you drive down a road, a bumpy road, your roads are bad, and these all fall out, you need to learn how to drive a trailer. Subscribe, thumbs up, see you on the next one. Oh, you're still here. Hey, since you stayed to watch the whole video, I'm going to give you something right now that nobody else is going to get. I'm getting ready to make a video on assembling this bench. I had one shipped to me. This is the new company we're using to cut these for us, and I wanted one to check out to make sure I liked everything about it. I'm going to assemble this one, and once I'm all done, it's going to be for sale. I'm going to put a link in that video at the bottom, and you'll click on it, go there, and the first person there gets to buy it, because as soon as it's sold, it's going to show sold out. But not only do you get the bin, now you have to come here to Florida to pick it up. We're not going to ship it. So you'll want to be somebody that's in this western part of Florida, kind of near Sarasota, in that area. But when you come and pick it up, we'll hang out for about an hour or so. Can give you a personal tour of the Smart Wood Shop. We can talk shop, just have a good time. And if you want, I'll even sign the bench for you. So keep an eye out for that video. And as soon as you see it, before you watch the video, jump to the bottom, click on that link, and grab this bench. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Wood Shop.